Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make a delicious, moist, and super flavorful banana nut bread. In a medium bowl, I'm going to sift together 2 cups of bread flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Oh, wait. They can't see me. In a separate dish, I'm going to whisk together 1 cup of oil, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of a 0-calorie sweetener. Is this supposed to look a little chunky?
Yeah.
Like the sugar mixture? It's supposed to look a little chunky.
Yeah.
That?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like ambrosia.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, I already
You
messed
should
up.
probably get sometimes a chunkier nut.
Really?
Yeah, you should probably get your life together.
Okay, I'm trying. I was like, well, I probably need to use a whisk. That's probably why it's not incorporating good. Okay, there you go. That looks better. Now I'm going to take 2 overripe bananas, mash them with my fingers, and add them to the egg mixture. Are you supposed to have some chunks of banana?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't have to mash it like completely. No. Okay. Now I'm going to add the wet and dry ingredients together, and I'm just going to mix them until a batter forms. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm now going to chop 1 cup of candied pecans and add those to the batter.
Ooh, watch your fingers, don't do that.
All right, is that good? Or you want more? I'm just going to mix them in until they're evenly incorporated into the batter. Now I'm going to lightly spray a loaf pan with a nonstick cooking spray, and then I'm going to pour in the batter. With the back of my spatula, I'm going to smooth out the top of the batter. I'm going to bake the banana nut bread at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm going to check the banana bread with a toothpick in several places just to check for doneness. I'm going to let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, before removing the banana nut bread from the loaf pan, I'm going to go around the edges with a sharp knife just to loosen it and to make sure that it flips out easily. Wait, why did I use pot holders? That thing's not hot anymore. Jimmy didn't stop.
Say anything.
Oh, that looks delicious. Now that the banana bread has had time to cool off, it's time to slice it up and give it a taste test.
It smells delicious.
It does. I'm sorry, you want that one? It was on your side.
I'll take the one that's further away from me.
Dang.
You might have to rate this MA.
That's good.
That's probably the best banana nut bread I've had.
Sweet.
Good job.
This is my first time ever making it too. You can taste like, you can taste like sugar crystals. But I wonder if that's from that the pecans. From the candied pecans.
That's good. It's not overly sweet. There's a good balance.
That's good.
That's delicious.
And it's healthier since we use 2 cups of sweetener, not 2 cups of sugar.
Good job, babe.
Thanks. Delicious. Well, all right, y'all. That's how you make banana nut bread. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Dang.
You might have to rate this MA.